shortcut to Chinese word to then going to show you cool magic. First you see one flower, then you see 10 flowers.
Here, you can see
10 flowers.
lot of flowers there, right?
This is flowers.
Here, a cloud.
Cloud?
When you put it into the water, you can see a
Rain
rain cloud.
Did you see one balloon?
One balloon when you put it into the water.
10
A
balloons.
lot of balloons are there, right?
So let me show you how to do it. First you
So
need,
how to do it now?
I'll show you how to do it. First get a color marker. Then you draw a circle. Draw a pizza.
You're drawing a pizza.
After I'm going to draw one of these balls like Ryan. Next I'm going to draw a conveyor belt. Next I'm going to draw one purple pony. And the other one I'm going to only draw the circle.
Then turn the
Then turn the
other
page.
side, right?
Blue color, right? So I'm going to only the circle.
Trace the picture. Trace it on top of that. You have to draw on top of that.
Okay.
Trace it. Uh-huh.
Put it in the water. Guys, so if you want to see another video, subscribe to what the Tom's own channel. So for now, bye. Bye!